Now we are discussing about information technology, in that 10 best apps for beginners to learn data science. Data science is now, it is becoming so popular to learn. In olden days, data science means those who knows database information and attaching to that front end and back end, if they know. That time in 20 years back, there is no full stack development, and likewise front end, back end, and middle tier. So those who knows about databases and the information, that is itself is the data science. But now it is the definition and the process, and the aim is also changed now. So what are the 10 best apps for beginners to learn data science at present? Data science is a fantastic career with a massive amount of potential for future growth. Data scientists have been called the most promising career because there is already a great demand, competitive pay, and many benefits. Let us take a look at the top of 10 applications for beginners in 2022 to study data science. Number one is Data Science 101. This application focuses on machine learning algorithm education. Not only will you be able to study machine learning algorithms, download Python code examples and their data sets and build machine learning models, but also visualize them all within the app. Then the next point is QPython. Next app is QPython. The features of this application include an interpreter, a runtime environment, a script editor, QPY, that is QPython, and the SL4A library. This is the information regarding another app of QPython. And the other app is Enki. Enki, ENKI, is one of the data science apps that addresses a variety of data science subjects, including Python, SQL, that means system query language, and data science, through interactive tests that further aid in learning and memory. The Enki app helps your education. And Data Camp, next application is Data Camp. Data Camp is a mobile application that provides interactive coding lessons to aid in your understanding of coding fundamentals. In addition, you will discover how to use your smartphone to import, analyze, and visualize data. And then the next app is Brilliant. Brilliant is an application that helps the candidate in mastering the necessary math and science. Here, the information is presented to you in the most straightforward way possible, making it simple enough for beginners to understand and giving them more time to apply what they have learned to the quizzes. Then the next app is data science app is Coursera. Data science is one of the main courses offered by Coursera, a big provider of a variety of courses. It features a substantial library of courses specifically created for novices in data science and data analytics. Here, you have access to countless video and lecture resources for mobile study. Then the next app is Basic Statistics. The easiest introduction to data science is provided by this software for newbies. It addresses a variety of topics such as basic statistical ideas, data descriptions, counting techniques, probability, etc. And then the next app is Learn Data Science, Big Data, and Data Analytics. This data-oriented application features a user interface that is clear and easy to use, as well as several code examples and comments. It is not surprising that this software is among the top 10 for beginners to master data science in 2022. And then next app is Solo Learn. Solo Learn is the only application if you are looking to learn the fundamentals of programming. Data aficionados can access free content in Python, on Python, R, SQL, algorithms and data structures, and machine learning thanks to one of the largest collections of free learning resources for programming in data science. Then the next app is probability distributions. Probability distributions, understanding important concepts like Poisson, bio, binomial, hypergeometric, and geometric distributions is made easier with the help of the probability distributions app. This is the information regarding data science apps. It is most important because so many data science engineers are searching their best apps in Google also. So this information will give a basic understanding about data science apps and how to do it and what are the fundamentals of that. And then the future is yours. That means those who are interested to do data science. But now so many fields are there. This is also one of the field. Wishing you all the best.